Hello, this is Said Sajjad. So welcome to this video. In this video, we will share how to create a line chart in MS Excel. So let's start the video and watch till the end. First of all, you will need to open the MS Excel in your computer. So I have already opened the MS Excel in my computer. So to create a line chart, you will need to insert some data. Here I have already inserted some data. So first of all, we'll need to select the data. I'm selecting the data. So after selecting the data, we need to go to the insert tab. So please go to the insert tab above. Yes, we have clicked the insert tab. After clicking the insert tab, you will find lots of options. So to create a line chart, click these options and choice according to your requirements, according to your desire. So I am picking the first one. uh, yes, I have just clicked the first one. Here is the line chart. So the blue color indicates the GDP data in 2023, where orange color indicates the inflation data in 2023. So you can also change the chart title. After clicking in the chart title options, you can change. Also you can change the colors of the line chart. So just click the change colors options. You can select any color you want. Yes, the color is changed. So that's all about today. Thanks for watching. If you find this video useful, please subscribe our channel and stay with us. Thank you so much.